In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a good prompt to generate an AI-edited photo of you using Gemini and other AI tools. Let's dive right in and make the process both easy and fun. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. It's always best to start with a fresh page to ensure you're getting the most accurate search results. Now, in that trustworthy Google search bar, type in Google Gemini. This will take you directly to the information you need to begin your AI photo editing journey. Once you're loaded up with search results, look for the official Google Gemini website and click to enter. Whether you're already an avid user or new to the platform, you'll need to sign in. Make sure you're using an account that allows you to access your files and manage them efficiently. If this is your first time, you might be presented with an overview or introduction. I recommend taking a moment to familiarize yourself with any tips or guides that Google Gemini provides, especially about privacy and security features, which can be very important. Now that you're in, look for the plus button. This will usually stand out, either at the top of the page or near the main dashboard area. Clicking this button will allow you to upload a picture. Choose an image that you want to use for AI editing. Make sure it's clear, well-lit, and exactly the style you want, because the initial image often plays a crucial role in how the resultant photo appears. After your picture is uploaded, it's time for the exciting part, creating your prompt. Think about what you want the final image to look like. You might say something like, "Make the photo more vibrant with a surrealistic touch." Or perhaps something simple and straightforward like, "Add a soft and dreamy aura." The key here is to be both descriptive and concise. The prompt acts as your creative command center, guiding the AI in crafting an image that aligns with your vision. Once your prompt is ready to go, find the Submit button and give it a click. This moment is where all the magic happens. The AI will process your instructions and begin to edit the image as per your command. Depending on the complexity of your request and the speed of your internet connection, this might take a few moments, so be patient. And there you have it. The process is finished, and you can officially copy your prompt should you want to replicate the process later or apply it to similar images. With your AI-edited photo complete, feel free to showcase your creation or even refine further if necessary. I hope this guide was helpful in walking you through the steps to create stunning AI-edited photos with precision and creativity. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different prompts to discover all the possibilities out there within AI editing. Thanks for joining, and start exploring your creative potential today.